She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a PR package here from Madam Glam. This is 4 colors from their August collection, the A+ collection, in a vibrant transition where echoes of summer linger and the allure of new beginnings sparkles in every shade. So we have 8 soak-off gels. We have 4 creams and 4 light glittery shades. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you guys. But first we're going to take a look at the box. This is Madam Glam Socials. They are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula and HEMA-free. And then we can learn more about recycling the box here. There's a QR code. Oh, I'm so excited to show you guys how pretty these are. Perfect colors for transitioning from summer to fall. I am so ready for fall. So like I said, I picked 2 solid creams and 2 of like the glittery holographics. This is Monday Blues and this is a purpley, like a purpley blue. I don't know, I call it purpley, like a purple blue. It's so pretty. Green Guru, which is this very pretty, I don't know if you'd say an olive green. It's a little bit lighter than an olive green, but it's a beautiful green. And then Erudite, I'm not really sure. But look at this green. I had to get this green to match the cream one. Look at that holographic shift. Oh my goodness. And then Treasure Book. It's like a reddish kind, but it looks more like a brown to me. Oh, it's just so pretty. Like I said, perfect for fall. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to get my swatch sticks ready and we're going to swatch them. So I just want to say, yeah, I'm using my matte on my little towel that I just did my SpongeBob nails on. So there's some stamping polish, but I didn't want it to go to waste because I'm going to be swatching. So yeah, I just wanted to reuse my towel. So I did notice, I was looking, I don't know, for some reason when I was making the labels, I noticed I did pick that brownish shade, which is called Treasure Book. But this to me, the packaging and everything is like a red, and that one's called Art Room. So I don't know if the stickers got mixed up or what happened, but it's fine because I'm actually going to pick up the other 4, rest of the 4 colors. I'm a VIP, so I have some credits saved because I got to get, you know, the rest of the colors. But yeah, it's fine. I mean, like I said, I'm still going to choose the other colors, but I don't know. I just think the stickers got kind of switched. But look at Green Guru. Oh, it's so beautiful, so opaque. And this is Monday Blues. Oh, this purple is so pretty. It just amazes me how every month they come out with different colors every single month. It's amazing. And I mean, every time it's just, the colors are always just gorgeous. So oh, I just love them. Look at that, how pretty. And then we have the green holographic. Look at this, how pretty is this? I love their glitter shimmers holographics. Look at that rainbow shift, gorgeous. And then Art Room, we're gonna call it, since it is the reddish. It does have a reddish tint to me. So now I'm looking, I'm like, is it the brown one or is it the red? Maybe the top of it got mixed up. I don't know, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So yes, I did do 2 coats and then I applied the no wipe top coat. And we're just going to take a look here. Look at this green. Oh, I just love it. This green is just, I don't know, something about it. I just love it. And look at that holographic shift. And then look at, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. Gorgeous. And then Monday Blues. Yes, thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending these. They're absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I'm going to pick up the other 4 colors. This is just going to be part 1, the unboxing, swatching. I'm going out of town again, but I wanted to get this out. The collection's available today, which is August 4th, so make sure you pick it up. I do have a code Sondra35 to save 35%. Yes, it's all gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Bye.